In this video, I will show you how to sum values by month while ignoring year values in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some transaction details including the transaction date and amount. Now I want to sum up the amounts by month while ignoring the year. For example, I want to sum these two amounts for the month of January regardless of the year value. We can use the Excel SUMPRODUCT function to calculate the sum by month ignoring years. Here is the formula to do that. This part of the formula checks if the month number of the transaction dates is equal to the month number specified in the E column, which is 1. Since there are 6 cells in the range, it returns an array of 6 elements containing true and false values. A true value is returned if the month of the transaction date is equal to the given month number and false otherwise. This array is then multiplied with the respective amount cells, and this multiplication operation converts the true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. The amount cells having the given month number are multiplied by 1, thus remaining as is, and the rest of the amount cells are multiplied by 0, thus filtered out. The result of the multiplication is an array containing the amounts having the transaction date of the given month. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements, and the result of that is 80. As you can see, we now have the sum of values by month while ignoring the year values. I will make the transaction date and amount cell ranges absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it will not change when we drag the formula to other cells. Let's copy the formula to calculate the sum by month of February as well by dragging the cell down like this. But what if you have the month names instead of month numbers in the E column as given here? In that case, we need to get the month number from this month names first using the month function. However, the month function requires us to provide a valid Excel date, but we only have a month name. This problem can be solved by creating a date string that can be identified as a valid date by the month function. To convert the month name to the month number, I will append a day number to the month name so that the month function can identify that as a valid date. For example, here I have joined the number 1 with the month names to create strings like January 1, February 1, etc. The month function will recognize the string values as valid dates and will return the month number from it. Let's use the same SUMPRODUCT formula that we used earlier, but this time I am going to extract the month number from these month names. This part of the formula now compares the transaction month with the month number extracted from the given month name. The rest of the formula remains the same. As you can see, we now have the sum by month name by ignoring the year values. This formula to convert month name to month number works fine even if you have short month names like JAN, FEB, etc. instead of the full month names like January, February, etc. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have mentioned the short 3-character month names in the E column, but the same formula works fine and returns the sum of the given months. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.